Hello, everyone. Let's start today's podcast. My name is Abbos, your host. Let's talk about the fascinating brain, and I've got some incredible facts. So let's talk about the structure and the function of the brain. The brain is a very complex organ and is divided into several main parts. And let's start with the main part. That's the big brain, the cerebrum. It's the largest part, controls higher functions like thought, action, and personality. And the cerebellum, the little brain in the back, is essential for movement and coordination, as well as balance. And lastly, brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and regulates vital functions like breathing and heartbeat. And now let's talk about neurons and synapses. The brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, and they communicate through electrical and chemical signals across synapses. These connections are crucial for everything we think, we feel, and we do. And lastly, neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's amazing ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, and adaptability is essential for learning, memory, and recovery from brain injuries. Let's talk about some diseases. One of the most common diseases is Alzheimer's disease, and Alzheimer's is a progressive disease that causes brain cells to degenerate and die, leading to continuous decline in the memory, thinking, and social skills. Early symptoms include difficulty remembering recent events or conversations. And as the disease advances, individuals may experience severe memory impairment and lose the ability to carry out everyday tasks. The next one is Parkinson's disease. It's a neurodegenerative disorder that affects movement. It occurs when the nerve cells in the brain don't produce enough dopamine. The symptoms include tremors, stiffness, and difficulty with balance and coordination. Although there is no cure, treatments actually may help, manage symptoms. And lastly, stroke. It happens when the blood supply to the part of the brain is interrupted or reduced, and preventing brain tissue from getting enough oxygen and nutrients. And symptoms can include sudden numbness, confusion, trouble speaking, and loss of balance. Quick treatment is crucial for recovery. There are other, mental health disorders like depression, anxiety significantly affect brain function, and depression can lead to persistent feelings of sadness and loss of interest, impacting our daily lives. Anxiety disorders involve excessive fear or worry, and these both conditions are common and treatable with therapy and medication. Let's talk about some interesting facts about the brain. The size and intelligence. So, contrary to popular belief that brain size doesn't determine intelligence, while larger brains are associated with larger animals, intelligence is more about the complexity of neural connections and efficiency of brain function. Despite being only about 2% of our body weight, the brain uses around 20% of the body's energy. It requires a constant supply of glucose and oxygen to function properly. Dreaming remains one of the most mysterious brain activities. Some theories suggest that dreams help process emotions, consolidate memories, and practice problem solving. Despite extensive research, the exact purpose of dream is still not fully understood by scientists, by the scientists community. Now, memories are formed through a process involving coding, storage, and retrieval. The hippocampus plays a key role in forming new memories and connecting them to the emotions and senses. Interestingly, our memories are not perfect recordings, so they can change over time and be influenced by various factors. And we have to mention sleep's role. Sleep is crucial for brain health. It helps with memory consolidation, emotional regulation, and clearance of toxins. Studies show that poor sleep can affect cognitive functions and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. So don't be like me, sleep on time and wake up on time. So there are some unique abilities. Some people have extraordinary brain abilities. For example, synesthesia.
Synesthesia
Is a common where one sense is simultaneously perceived by one or more additional senses. A person with synesthesia, might see colors when they hear music or taste flavors when they read words. So today we explored the brain's structure and function, discussed some common diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and I tried to share some amazing facts about this incredible organ. I hope you liked it. In the next episode, I would like to dive into the world of artificial intelligence and how it's inspired by human brain. Stay tuned, and thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them underneath this video, and I will try to leave a response. And until the next time, take care of your brain. Thank you.